they have no revelation of who Jesus is. And so when we say that I want to see Jesus, simply we want to say that we have a direct revelation of who Jesus is. And somebody will from Ubetia say, don't worry, I'm building up on it. Yeah. What person will catch it and say, so will be a bad sorry, not so only yes to Christ and ya a young Kofa Asenya in Kupamu dear Bia. He is now going to use the opportunity to tell all of us that is seated in this place. And here may be a dance, for example, and yet a high non it is not only your life is not only a reflection of the light of God, it is also a reflection of about 10 major things. I will share only 5 with you, and then I will take the rest to Bible study on Tuesday. Now the person that has a direct revelation of God and of Christ, number 1, maturity. Christian maturity. They are mature. They don't care who takes the credit. They don't take who takes the glory, because we are all at the service of the Christ. And so when they have a direct revelation of who Jesus Christ, the assembly of who Jesus Christ is, truly, seriously, Christian maturity. And I have defined maturity as ignore, overlook, and forgive. The people, it will be on motivating and say, and you assume a sin and I don't know bentini did in a temeden which yanwa womaya tui. Christian maturity. The person has a revelation. It will be one of Kununi Yiri did in a temenra and a jaw. Adia Bachenoma Swamon Sanwamo Koeguma. Direct. As we are seated here, some people don't even speak to their husbands. And then you couldn't casa. And I'm on Tokwan Wamokun 3 weeks ago. What a waste of life. By the time we have 20 fights in a year, and each fight will have to take about 3 weeks to reconcile. Count the number of days out of 365. And you will notice the waste of life. Number 2, the wisdom of God will be when you a direct encounter with the Christ. Because yes, upon I can tell you that person is wise.